guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be doing 2 layers of hot, crispy chicken wings right in our Ninja Foodi XL oven. You guys, it is super easy. I want to show you guys how I made such a large batch in one round. So that's what we'll be doing today. You guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I'll have all the links for those items in that box. But let's go ahead and get started. So today what we're going to need is, I have here 25 wings, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce, and this is the original. I also have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. You do not have to use those seasonings. You can salt and pepper to your taste, or you can mix the seasonings up to your liking. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to take the hot sauce and put it on the side. We won't need this until our wings are cooked. I'll place this on the side here. And all I do is I add oil to all of the wings. And I stir it up. And then I also mix the seasonings together. So I'm just going to get a fork here. Mix the seasonings together. Okay. Alright. Just add seasoning, mix, add more seasoning, and repeat. So that's what I'm doing here. Add the seasoning here. Add more. And I just do this until they're well seasoned. I'll add the remaining seasoning there. And as you mix, because the oil is on the chicken wings, it moves the seasoning around as you mix, so it coats them. And you'll see they'll start to get this orange color. And that's what we're looking for. Alright, so we'll be back. So because I am limited with space, I have here the accessories that I place in my XL oven. I just have one of the trays with aluminum foil on top, and then I have the tray along with the roasting rack for the wings. So I'm just going to add all of my wings here. Just spread them out evenly. Okay. Add the remaining wings to the other tray, because we want a lot of wings today. I'll need a little bit more. So some of the seasonings are at the bottom with the oil. So there we go. This one needs a little bit more. Alright, we'll bring out our oven and start preheating. Alright, so to preheat, we're going to go ahead and select the function of air fry, 390 degrees. We want to Oh, I switched the function. We want to use 2 level. So we're going to use trays 2 and 4 for even cooking. And then I'm doing 30 minutes because we're doing 2 trays. So we'll go ahead and start the preheating and be back. All right. We'll be back at 15 minutes. So it has been 15 minutes. You know what? Let me get my handy dandy ninja gloves. So you can see they look great. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. And I'm gonna flip them all and then we'll be back. So I flipped them and now we'll be back in 15 minutes to check on them. So there's 1 minute left, and what I like to do before the time runs out is I always like to just check the temperature. If we're close to that desired temperature, which looks like we are here, then what I like to do is start adding the sauce and then place them back in. So it just needs to be above 165, but 190 is typical for wings. Alright, so what I'll do here is I'm going to start, oh, need my gloves again. I like to add all of my wings to a bowl and then add the sauce and place them back on the tray. So I'll add my sauce to the wings. If you like wet wings, you can stop there by saucing up the wings and enjoy from there. Or if you like crispy wings, what I'm going to do is add the sauce and then place them back in the oven to crisp them up. So that's what we're going to do. We'll be back. So I added the sauce to all of my wings, and I'll let you guys see there. And like I said, if you like wet wings, you can stop there and enjoy. But I want them super crispy, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'll add them back, and we can set the time. So all I do is, with that remaining minute, is I add time. So I like to do 5 minutes. And crisp them up, and we'll be back. Alright, and there we have it. We have our crispy chicken wings made right in the Ninja Foodi XL oven. You guys look at it. It's baked on the sauce right onto the wings. They look amazing. It smells great. So that's how you would make it in the XL oven. You guys make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.